Hi, welcome. This video is about the new ArcoLinux TweakTool that's out. If we press Ctrl-Alt-E, of course you update and do your updating commands like update and scale and up all, right? And then you have the ArcoLinux TweakTool, the latest, the version. Let's have a look, the version number 50. You see down here the version number 20.5-50. Now you immediately see that we've changed our text into icons. So maybe you know the application Stacer, and we went for a similar kind of look to have icons. So let's go over the icons and see what's changed. So we auto start things, or rocket to auto start. We can change things, a new desktop. You can have 16 desktops that you can use. And there's a little sentence here that will help people. Install Deepin first before any other desktop to avoid conflicting packages, because that's ArcoLinux. It has nothing to do with ArcoLinux. Some of the packages that are in here will conflict with other packages. It's Cohol and there's another one, right? So it doesn't matter. But if you want to try out Deepin, well, do that then first, or just do only Deepin. Then you'll never get conflicts. But it is possible to install 16 desktops on one SSD or hard disk. So a little monitor to install the desktop. Then this is our grub themes. Choose the theme you want to boot up into. This is going to help you like a little shield. So it's an HBlock, the ad blocker. Just put it on and the database is updated and you won't see all these rubbish websites. Let's wait for it to end. Voila, HBlock active. The open door is your LightDM you enter in your system with LightDM, and you can say to the system, I want to auto login or not, or I want to auto login but next time with OpenBox and not XFCE, and all the other choices, right? If you have installed here 16 of them, well, you can choose the drop down and decide what to log into next time. This one is a terminal, and a terminal for NeoFetch, so enable the image backend and all that, so the Ctrl-Alt-T. All these settings, all these lines can be just easily tweaked here with this tab. A little shop or a store is going to get our packages in. We have lots of packages coming on ArcoLinux, third-party, Xlarge, or for the beta testers going to the test repo and so on. Okay, this is a terminal. Terminal is most of the time Termite. There's also URXVT that we use, but the Termite themes here is just a drop away. Let's do one as an example. Pop, apply theme, Ctrl-Alt-T, and this looks a little bit different, right? It's still transparent, but it's different in color, and you'll see if you start using it, it's more than just the colors here. Then this one is new. Change your themes on i3 and Awesome. So if you're not on i3 and if you're not on Awesome, we had the idea, well, then we don't show the icon. But then of course you don't know the possibility that there is an i3 and Awesome theme changer in the ArcoLinux TweakTool. So now it's showing it, and even if it's not installed, you get, no, that's not, I wanted to say something that's not correct. So change your themes and i3 with a nice pop-up and drop down and all that, so it's going to be super easy. But here at least we know that there is a possibility to change it. Then we have this one as well. If you switch to ZSH, you can change the theme. So that's also interesting, knowing that in here is something to change your ZSH theme. Now there are two icons missing, and that's of course due to the fact that we have a Super X. This is our ArcoLinux logout with all its settings and its tip, right? And the look here, hibernate and all the buttons, that's new. And all our ArcoLinux Bs and etc. we have switched and gone to ArcoLinux logout, which means that you won't see anymore the OB logout tab or the Slim Lock tab. These guys will show up, of course, if you install it again, but we're not going to maintain it So we are going to move ahead with this own created application and maintain this and make sure that everything works and improve it over time. So that's it for us. We have an ArcoLinux TweakTool that's new. We're trying out another way to show things with icons. Let us know if you like the look of it. It will depend on the system you're on. So 16 desktops. This looks great on XFCE, a little bit less on etc, etc. So we have 16 desktops where it will show up. And depending on your team that you choose, right, it will have a different look. All right, I hope you like our changes and try it out. All right, cheers.